Brethren of the Sword, the Maiden Quest is an action-packed story worth reading. The noble DeGodfrey brother knights were champions within the Knights Tournament, yet were outcasts with no ability to redeem themselves in society. The brothers, Leon DeGodfrey, his older brother William and younger mischievous Balwin were given the opportunity to redeem their family's honor. The queen, Raphilian, needed help restoring their homeland Enchant. The evil false king Bedial conquered the brothers' homeland long ago. Tragically, Enchant has fallen to ruin and chaos. Bedial has left the land once beautiful in the hands of his wicked sorcerer Ophiel and his charming, yet manipulative heir, Prince Karrion. The adventure begins for you, the reader. Leon, who secretly loves the Queen Raphilian, volunteers to embark on a lone quest. He must battle terrifying beasts and conquer treacherous lands. Meanwhile, he forms unlikely allies, and together, they battle against all odds. Will Leon find the chosen one? Will he reunite with his brothers on the battlefield to save Enchant? Or will the formidable Karrion ascend as Emperor first?